guys, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be talking about trendyol.com.ng, and I want to believe these guys also own trendyol.com. Later on I will show you why they decided to use trendyol.com.ng. Now, Trendyol Investment is an investment company that claims to be a leading company in the field of server hosting and maintenance, employing over thousands of people from around the world. So I'm surprised because as a web designer, I've never heard of Trendyol before, and I've been in the industry for over 10 years. So if they are claiming to be a top and leading server hosting company, then I think that is questionable, because they also said that they have employees from all over the world, and to me I think this is absurd. It doesn't make sense. So these guys are saying they've started an investment option for people where you deposit a certain amount of money and you get your returns back daily for 30 days. Now, I got to know about this platform through a group on Facebook called Rant HQ. Imagine what someone said. Someone said the same owner of GMG has launched another one called Trendyol. GMG is about to crash. That's the sign. Now, GMG, if you check them, my channel, you would see that I did a review about GMG investment, and as you can see, it as of today, it has gotten over 1,100 views. 1,100 views. Let's check it out. In short, I think that's underestimated. It has gotten about 1,200 views, and the video was posted just 2 days ago. So imagine if a platform that was widely known to be a scam is also launching another platform, which most likely is also a scam. Then I think there's a big problem in Nigeria and Africa at large. So they said the same owner has launched another one called Trendyol. I had to check it out immediately I saw that. And let's also look forward at what Oluchi Okoro posted on Rant HQ extension. It says Trendyol scam, too much. If you register, you won't see an admin to chat with. That means these guys, you can't chat with them, you can't contact them, nobody's regulating them, and that further makes it something you should be scared of. Now, Blessing Nachi, this is a female, and you know females like money. Yeah. So while the guy was saying this thing is a scam, a lady was saying Trendyol is new oil money, just launched yesterday. Can you imagine? So if an investment company was launched yesterday, being May 1, 2023, I think that's a red flag for you, because you need to be more careful. Although since it's a Ponzi scheme, they are most likely going to pay for weeks. So if you are the type that likes taking risk, well, fine, you might want to invest on this platform, but I can assure you that this is a scam. Now let's go back to the website and check out what they have for us. So this is the home. Now let's go to products. Now on the product, they said if you invest 5,000 naira, you would get 1,100 naira daily for 33 days. That means you are getting back 33,000 naira. So that will be your total return after investing 5,000 naira. This is something else. It's extraordinary, you know. So they're also saying if you invest 10,000 naira, you'd get back 2,200 naira daily for 33 days. So you are earning 6,600 naira. That's 6,000 naira rather. Then on the other hand, if you want to take a big shot, you can charge 25,000 naira. They also have 40,000 naira. They have 50,000 naira. Well, like the lady said, they started yesterday. Now, for the lady to emphasize the time they started, that means it's a general knowledge that the early birds will actually take the best of the food on the dining. So maybe if you join it early, you would actually cash out a lot. But sincerely, this is all about using Peter's money to pay Paul, and it will get to a point that they just have to shut down and they will run away. So the question remains, will you be the one to cry, or will the people you refer be the ones to cry? Now, if you refer someone, I don't know how comfortable you would be watching the person you referred actually lose money. So don't be greedy enough and with the hope of you don't care and make someone else lose money on a platform you and I know that is shady. Okay, what if you decide to withdraw your funds? They said no card, please bind your account first. So you have to bind your card and your account. They said no card, so you can use card. Well, that's reasonable. Now you tell them the amount and you can check your history. So your profile, you can also check your profile if you need your referral links to refer your friends and family so as to earn referral bonus. Then this is it. You just click here and you get the referral code. Well, if you want to register on this platform, if you insist that you want to register, I'm going to copy this referral code and put it in the description section below. Well, it's your call. If you lose the fund, it's all on you, because I am going to say that this is a scam investment platform and it's not worth your investment. Let's do a background check on this platform and see if it's reasonable and or if there's anything that we should check out. Now, I told you earlier that these guys didn't use trendyol.com.ng, which they are using for the investment. You know why? Let's search for it on wiz.com and you're going to see the reason, because Wiz is limited to top TLDs. You can only search for top domains from wiz.com. Anything that's .com.ng or .ng, anything, it won't bring it out. So but let's check out .com. You'll get to realize that these guys also bought .com, but they decided to go with .com.ng so that people like us will not be able to analyze their platform and get the real necessary details to check when it was registered. Now, the .com version was registered on 15th of March, and is expected to expire on the 15th of March 2024. That is also an additional turn off. That means it's going to be a very fast haste. They just had to register it for 1 year, and their plan is probably to run away in few weeks, few months or anything. So I heard GMG is crashing bit by bit. They keep telling people they are doing maintenance and all. That's always the first stage of the first stage when it comes to exiting plans for Ponzi schemes. So you guys need to be careful out there. If you are watching our video for the very first time, please ensure you subscribe. We are always here to help, to support and to guide. So, and make sure you turn on the notifications so that anytime we drop videos about money making strategies, investment apps, investment platforms you can make a whole lot of money from, then you'll be the first to hear about it. Thanks for watching our videos. Share this video with your friends and make sure they also emphasize financial security and think about risk anytime they want to do any form of online investment. We love you so much, and bye for now.